Little update. This cylinder here has water in it. There's water inside there that I got to get out. This one, the coil pack thing, this thing here was in the cylinder that has water in it. There's a plug. The thing is fucked.
Oh, he's so adorable.
All week long, bossman say, Mexican
What is up, everybody? Today we are doing surgery on a 2001 Honda 600 F4I. Boo, boo, doo, boo. Alright, first things first, we gotta pull these plastic pieces off of here. And these are just Phillips head screws. Do the same thing to the other side. We're going to have to pull these two bolts and also these two bolts. This is a 5/16. Oh, come on. You know what? I'll just throw an extension on there. Work. Oh, come on. Oh. Stuck in there good. Come on out of there, love. Oh, come on. That bitch is stuck in there good. Holy fuck. I just broke this one loose. That was a bitch. That was a fucking bitch. Yep, WD-40. Love that stuff. Oh, look at that. That's gonna fucking hurt. Oh, look at there. Son of a bitch. Oh, fucking burns.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open.
get the tank off. I'm pretty sure you got to pull this off to get on into those. There's these screws that go all the way around. There's also one in the middle. This hole right here, there's a Phillips head screw in there. I believe I'm going to take out those 2 screws. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws inside here. Hopefully the whole airbox will come right off then. Then I'll have access to the top of the motor.
Mexican, 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 it's your lot in life. While people play in the sun all day. Work, Mexican, work. All week long, boss men say, work, Mexican.
Alright, we got the box off, got access to the motor now. Those are the spark plugs and coils. I believe I'm going to have to take that bolt off to get this line loose and just loosen this little clamp up, and I should be able to remove this tank. At least I'm hoping. Come on, bike. Clamp off.
All week long, boss men say, work, Mexican, work. Sing your song, earn your pay. Work, Mexican, work. Work, Mexican, 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 it's your lot in life. While people play in the sun all day. Work, Mexican, work. All week long, boss men say, work, Mexican, work.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Hey, call. I need a 5-gallon jug of fucking gas. I just need an empty can. I got too much gas. Give me a call back. Like, quick. Yo. Yo. Hey, could you bring me an empty 5-gallon gas can? Yeah, that'd be great because I got fucking gas everywhere. Yeah, make it quick if you could. That'd be great. Alright. Later. Alright, we got the gas drained out. There's like fucking 3 gallons in there. Now we're on to taking this off the fuel rail here. And this should give me full access to the to getting the tank off. I hope. Yes. Oh, these fucking things work. Come on over there. There's fucking fuel everywhere. This thing should be free right now. I hope. What a mess. I got that out of there. Hey, there looks good. It's just dirty. I'm gonna put this back on before I lose it. So, fuel tank is off. God, that is it's crazy. I filled up one of these all the way up to the top, and then this is left. That shit that's in it wasn't actually in the tank. It was just shit that was in the bucket. So now, I think I'm going to take these out, then I'm going to get into the spark plugs, pull those, see what they look like. Hopefully they're not fouled out. Then I will put it back together, put new gas in it, let it run. Hopefully it'll work. I'll be back.
What is up, guys? You may notice a audio change. It's because my backpack died for the Cena. And a little update. This cylinder here has water in it. There's water inside there that I gotta get out. This one, the coil pack thing, this thing here was in the cylinder that has water in it. There's a plug. The thing is fucked. It still sparks, so I'm gonna put it back in. I shouldn't, but I am. I don't have the money to replace it. The pack that goes in here, in this one here, it's not seating correctly. I'm gonna just shove it on there as hard as I can and get that, just so I can get this shit fucking going until I have the money to replace all of it. I'm gonna replace all the plugs and all the packs. It's gonna be like almost $200. I just got the little butterfly valves covered up just so shit don't get in there. And it's a letdown, but hopefully this thing will be running by tonight. I hope. Fingers crossed. I'll give you guys an update here in a little bit. Later.